Hello guys, welcome back once again to a brand new episode of Sephiroth and Cyphus channel. Today we got the Jurassic World Legacy Collection Tyrannosaurus Rex Ambush Pack. And we're going to compare to the original Dino Rivals T-Rex and the Dino Escape Tyrannosaurus. By the way, this is the one that started everything. This is the Dino Escape that started everything. So anyways, let's open up the box. Alright, so let's check the box. So it says that this guy is Ian Malcolm, but he looks so different from Jeff Goldblum's Ian Malcolm. It totally looks like a different character. Okay, we'll check the back. Comes with a Mercedes-Benz ML320. So it does say Dr. Ian Malcolm, but he looks so different. It's like a different person again. Alright, let's open it up. Okay. Alright, while I'm opening this, I'd like to say thank you for the new subscribes. Oh, we have new subscribers again. Thank you for the non-stop support, you guys. Alright. So bring it up. Oh, it's got a nice background too, huh? I see. Alright. Let us open this guy. Okay, really tough there. Let's bring him out. Alright, so he does look different. Yeah, it looks like definitely different from Jeff Goldblum's Ian Malcolm. Alright. Now let's go see our vehicle here. Okay, so here's our vehicle. It's a nice color. You can open this, so Dr. Malcolm can stay up here. Yeah. Okay, we need a big, stronger scissor to open this, but we'll do that later. Okay, nice. There's the Mercedes logo right there. I don't know if we can open this, guys. No, we can't open it. It doesn't open up. There's some strings here.
Daddy, I want to take this.
Okay, I'm gonna hand it over for Sci-Fi right now. There you go. Now let's check the T-Rex. We're gonna compare it. Take off the tail. Whoops. Alright, we got this guy out. Now we're gonna bring the tail. Okay. Okay. Let's put the tail in. Alright. So he does look a little different from the original Dino Rivals T-Rex. Same color, but has this one has a yellow on it now, or light brown in it. So we got the Dino Rivals T-Rex. We're gonna compare its color. There's the back. I see. So the face looks different also. You can tell they're different. Yeah. Let's check on the bottom, on its belly. There's no color in the belly. Oops. This one has a yellow light belly. This one doesn't. The ankles are kind of loose now. It's very old. So there's no sound for this guy. It's also manual. Oh. Wow. Okay, yeah, that's cool. And here's the scanny DNA on the back. There you go. We haven't scanned it yet. We'll scan it later. So yeah. Oh, I see. So the tongue as well. See? The Dino Rivals tongue comes out, but this one doesn't. The Legacy Collection is just right there. See that, guys? I see. Okay. And we're going to compare now to the Dino Escape. So the Dino Escape, you just push this one out, it makes a sound and it Opens up the mouth. You can see it's a totally different face as well. Dinoscape still bigger. There you go. Plus, the Dinoscape has you twist the tail, it has a stumping sound. See that? There you go. That's this feature. And there's no scars. As you can see, this guy has scars on the face. This one doesn't. It's totally a different sculpt of T-Rex again. The jawline is different as well. I think this is called Buck. They call him Buck, the green one. We'll check the box. Oh, okay. So it is a nice background. It's a rainy night there. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much it. I'd like to say thank you again for all the support. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. Also, next video we're probably gonna do a Beast of the Mesozoic. It's my new obsession right now. I'm loving the Ceratopsian series. I'm gonna collect all of those. So yeah, we'll see. We're gonna do the what is that? Cosmoceratops from Beast of the Mesozoic. So once again, I'd like to say thank you again for all the likes and subscribes, guys. Have a great day. Bye.